Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've got a new credit card and you want to start using it to pay your freelancers or contractors on Upwork. Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and log into your Upwork account, and then on the upper right hand corner you want to click on your profile icon. Next you want to click on account settings, and then here on the left hand side you want to click on billing and payments. Now once you're on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down until you reach this section here called manage billing methods. So here you're going to click on add a billing method, and then you have a few prompts here. You can add a payment card, PayPal, or Venmo. Because we want to add a credit card, we're going to click on payment card, and then it's going to redirect you to actually go ahead and fill out this information here. So you need to input your card number, first name, last name. Right now I have it blurred out, expiration date, expiration year, and then security code and billing address. But once you have all this information filled out, you just simply save your card and then it'll be connected to Upwork. So that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a credit card to Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.